Hello, my friend. Today I am in Khao Tao, Thailand. So, all beautiful royal lake. So, this is the biggest lake in Hua Hin. So, and have beautiful views surrounding by the mountain, especially beautiful sunset. So, and this the real picture without any editing. So, very beautiful. So, big lake here. This is on the here on the daytime and so on. Let me show you location exactly here. You see Khao Tao, right? So it's just next to the beach. So this is where is the location of the villa. Because today, of course, I come to show you the villa. Let's go to see the villa. We already in the rooftop of the villa. So amazing view. Good afternoon, my friend. How are you today? Welcome back to my channel, Jira. Where I am today, it's such a wonderful view here. I am in the one of beautiful villa for sale in Khao Tao here. So the modern villa style and very beautiful location here. It's not only have the private lake here in front of the villa and have the royal lake there. Also the most beautiful lake in Hua Hin, and here surrounding with the mountain view around here. It's just amazing, right? Okay, and the villa that I want to show you today is 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, and total living area is 260 square meter, and the big land plot 1380 square meter, and fully furnished. It's very beautiful and you will love it. Especially there are only a few villas available for sale in this location, and again only here 700-meter walk to the most beautiful beach in Hua Hin. So such a great deal and great location, right? Let's go to see the villa. Come on, follow me please. Now we are on the balcony of the villa. Also here you have the beautiful view of the lake in front of the villa. Is also have the beautiful lake on the royal lake. So, and also here private swimming pool here, saltwater system pool. So very nice and great location, right? So let me show you the lake from this direction again, okay? Okay, let's go to see inside the villa now. Follow me, please. Exciting, right? Go Alexander. So okay, again balcony right of this villa, and this is the living room. So again, all furniture is including right. It's nice furniture and also nice decoration also. So I just go slowly, okay, because I would like you to see all detail from this villa. So, and this is the dining table. So when you have dinner or have breakfast, you have the view of the lake. So this is the European built-in kitchen. So okay, let me show you the kitchen. So it's nice kitchen. So you have everything here, cooker, oven, and hob here. So refrigerator there on the left hand side. And now let's go to see the master bedroom. So wonderful. So this is the best bedroom that I liked, because this bedroom have wonderful view. So it's just in front of the villa. So this is the bed. So really nice. Imagine right when you so sleep and then open the door, get the cool breeze inside the bedroom. It's so nice. You don't need to use the aircon actually. So and now let's see around the room, right? So television desk or bedroom have aircon. So and now what we have now? So to the bathroom. So the master bedroom and the master bathroom, of course. So everything looks so nice, and especially have the bathtub in the bathroom also. So shower here. So very nice. I love it. Toilet is there, separate. Very nice. Okay, and now let's walk to this part of the villa. So this is like the middle of the villa, okay, because in front have the living room and also the master bedroom that I show you, and this part have two bedroom, two bathroom, and also one working room. I will show you later, okay. So this is the entrance, right? Come this way and you have the chair to sit and look at this direction also. And then you have so the stairs to go up to the rooftop, right? Let me show you first here. We go up to the rooftop here. Let's go to see the view together with me. I already show you from beginning. Here is wonderful view. And now we go down again to see the bedroom number 2. So also good size bedroom here. So with nice decoration and so on. King size bed. Also this bedroom have the private bathroom here. Let me show you the bathroom and the toilet also. So very nice and well maintained. And now also have big closet here. You have enough of space to put your clothes here. So I like it. Very nice. Good quality here. I can see it. And then we continue to bedroom number 3. So third bedroom. So good size bedroom here. It's smaller than the second one, but also nice idea for guests. and so on. And this bedroom also have a private bathroom here. So let me show you the bathroom and the shower. So very nice. Now we go to the next room. This one is the working room, or you can make so bedroom number 4 also this one. So for the single bed or for children. So and now is the parking and the entrance of the villa. So on the basement have a lot of space also there. Okay, I hope you like this villa. And now everyone exciting and would like to know about how much is this villa cost. So this villa cost is 17.9 million baht. So for this location that you see, right, and for this view, so especially location is just only 700-meter walk to the beach. So Sai Noi Beach, the most beautiful beach in Hua Hin. I will show you the exactly location, and I think you will love it because it's only gonna be like last house in this location for sale in this price. Okay. If you have any question, please contact me anytime. My contact detail is in the description. If you like the video, please like, and also please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for me to supporting me. Okay, see you again soon. สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบายชู